Now I'll take one more example in which there are few exceptional letters. Like we have to write work is worship. Now we have to write the sentence. Here W is the exceptional letter, I is the exceptional letter, W is the exceptional letter, then same I. So when we have to write these exceptional letters in word or in sentence, we have to calculate separate width for these. Means in this question the given height is, again I'm taking 12 mm, and calculated width as per the previous question we have calculated 9 mm, right? But these are the height and width values for all the letters, normal letter, means that is O, R, S, H, S, R, O, even K, P. But for these three letters we have to find out the separate width, as these are the exceptional letters. We know that the normal ratio of W, that is what, 7:8. So we cannot go with 9 mm width. So as per 7:8 we have to calculate the width. So how we calculate that? Same, we calculate height to width, height to width. Now in this question it is given as 7:8. This is the normal width of W. So whatever the width of exceptional letter is given, take width on the side, and in the question given height is 12, so we calculate the width required as per 12. So we have calculated W is equal to, now it is coming 13.7, so you can go with 14 mm. So when we have to write W, you have to take 14 mm width as calculated width 14 mm, and height will be 12 mm as given in the question. So I have drawn the two guidelines with 12 mm gap. Now how to write W? The calculated width is 14. So again take the two start points. Now after that take 14 mm gap. So we have calculated this 10, then 4, same here. Now we will write the W. We know the shape of W, it should be inclined at the edges. So I have drawn the two inclined lines. Then exactly at the mid of top we have to join the base left and right corners. So this is the shape of W. Now after that we have to go with O, that is work. So O is the normal letter. So what to do? Take the gap of 2 mm here. Now you have to take the gap from the marked point, not from the corner of that letter. We are writing a letter in a box. So take 2 mm, you can see here, take 2 mm from this point, not from the letter, because this is the actually boundary. If I draw the line, do not draw, just to teach you I am making this line. This is the boundary of W letter. Start your letter from these points. Again after that, now take 9 mm here, 9 mm here, then you have to write the letter O. As we know what is the shape of O, straight and curve part, straight and curve part. Then write the letters using the rule of gap between two letters and gap between two words. So I have written the sentence. Now you have to write in the same format. I have made it dark just to show you what should be the outlook of your sentence. Now we in technical drawing sheet we are not allowed to use our own style of writing, so we have to write in the same format which I have discussed in the last video. Thank you. We will solve few more questions.